Good morning students. Today is 23rd of July and day is Thursday and today's thought is be thankful for what you have and you will end up having more, and if you concentrate on what you don't have you will never ever have enough. This is your today's thought. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning children, welcome to the SHIVAJI group of institution online classes. Kids, I am your Hindi teacher. Today I am going to take Hindi literature class. बच्चों, पिछली कक्षा में मैंने आपको हिंदी में बड़े आ की मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ाए थे और उनको लिखना सिखाया था। आज मैं आपको हिंदी में बड़ी छोटी ई की मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ना सिखाती हूँ। तो चलिए आज हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? छोटी ई की मात्रा के शब्द। छोटी की मात्रा के शब्द। छोटी की मात्रा बच्चों कैसे लगाई जाती है पहले हम आपको ये सिखाएंगे। स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड हाफ सर्कल। कैसे लगती है छोटी की मात्रा? स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन के ऊपर हाफ सर्कल। तो समझ में आ गया होगा बच्चों आपको छोटी की मात्रा कैसे लगाई जाती है। अब हम लोग छोटी की मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ना सीखेंगे। चलिए हम लोग पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। का प्लस छोटी ई की मात्रा प्लस ता प्लस आ की मात्रा प्लस बा। तो बच्चों इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो गया? पढ़िए। का पे छोटी ई की मात्रा की, त में आ की मात्रा ता, ब। ये क्या हो गया? किताब। तो इसको लिखेंगे कैसे? का में छोटी ई की मात्रा, त में बड़े आ की मात्रा प्लस ब, किताब। दूसरा है स प्लस छोटी ई की मात्रा प्लस त प्लस आ की मात्रा प्लस रा। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? सितार। सा में छोटी ई की मात्रा, ता में बड़े आ की मात्रा, र, सितार। च में छोटी ई की मात्रा, अड़ा में छोटी ई की मात्रा प्लस या प्लस आ की मात्रा। तो ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? चिड़िया। चा में छोटी ई की मात्रा, अड़ा में छोटी ई की मात्रा, या में बड़े आ की मात्रा। तो क्या हो गया? चिड़िया। त में छोटी ई की मात्रा, ल। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे क्या हो गया? ये तिल। त में छोटी ई की मात्रा, ल, तिल। द में छोटी ई की मात्रा, न। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? दिन। द में छोटी ई की मात्रा, न, दिन। त में छोटी ई की मात्रा, ल, क। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे बच्चों क्या हो गया? तिलक। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे क्या हो गया बच्चों? तिलक। ता में छोटी ई की मात्रा, ल, क, तिलक। क व में छोटी ई की मात्रा। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? क वि। क्या हो गया ये? क वि। क व में छोटी ई की मात्रा। तो ये क्या हो गया? क वि। र प्लस व प्लस छोटी ई की मात्रा। ये क्या हो गया बच्चों? र वी। ये क्या हो गया? र वी। ट में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क, ट। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे बच्चों क्या हो गया? टिकट। इसको मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे बच्चों क्या हो जाएगा? टिकट। एक बार फिर से पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। क का में छोटी ई की मात्रा त, का में बड़े या की मात्रा ब, क्या हो गया बच्चों किताब। स में छोटी ई की मात्रा त, का में बड़े या की मात्रा र, क्या हो गया बच्चों सितार। च में छोटी ई की मात्रा ढ में छोटी ई की मात्रा या में बड़े या की मात्रा, क्या हो गया बच्चों चिड़िया। त में छोटी ई की मात्रा ल, क्या हो गया बच्चों तिल। द में छोटी ई की मात्रा न, क्या हो गया बच्चों दिन। त में छोटी ई की मात्रा लक, क्या हो गया बच्चों तिलक। क व में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क्या हो गया बच्चों कवि। र व में छोटी ई की मात्रा, क्या हो गया बच्चों रवि। ट में छोटी ई की मात्रा कट, क्या हो गया बच्चों टिकट। तो बच्चों आज मैंने आपको हिंदी में छोटी ई की मात्रा के शब्द पढ़ाए हैं। आगे का मैं आगे क्लास में कराऊंगी। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।
Hello, a very marvelous good morning to my dear students and those who are watching this video. I am an English teacher from SHIVAJI Group of Institution, and students, this is your second period of English literature. So my dear students, open your English literature book. Students, we are doing the chapter 3rd, and the name of the chapter is Art, English class. Students, we have done its explanation and the first exercise of this chapter. Now students, open the page number 20, and today we will do tick the correct answer. The first one is the teacher. The teacher showed the student students. Option A is some cards. Option B, some questions to solve. Option C, some form to fill. Some form to fill. The first question is the teacher showed the student. Option A, some cards. Option B, some questions to solve. Option C, some forms to fill. So the correct answer is option A, some cards. Students, this you have to do in your book. So in front of the A option you have to mark a tick. Now second question. Each team had to give each team had to tell blank words about the picture. About the picture shown. blank words about the picture shown. Option A. The first option is 3. The second option is 4. And the third option is 5. So, each team have to tell blank words about the picture shown. The first one 3, the second 4, and the fifth one is 5. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is the C one. So, mark a tick in front of the C. Now, the third and the last. Which friendly animal? Which friendly animal was shown by Miss Navina? The third question is, which friendly animal was shown by Miss Navina? Option A is dolphin. Option B is whale. And last option C is dog. So, which one is the correct answer? Option A. Which friendly animal was shown by Miss Navita? Option A, dolphin. Option B, whale. Option C, dog. And the correct answer is option A, dolphin. So, in front of the option A, you have to put a tick sign. Okay, students. Now, open the page number 21, vocabulary section. Page number 21. See in this vocabulary section. See, in this page you are seeing some pictures are here. You see many things in your classroom. See, some of them are shown here. Identify and name them. You are seeing that many things in the classroom. Some of them are shown here. So what you have to do? You have to identify the picture and you have to name them. So the first picture is of desk. So you have to write desk in the first blank. The second picture is of what? The second picture is of board. So you have to write board. The third picture is of desk. The fourth picture is of which thing? Is of cupboard. The fifth one is of chalk. And the sixth, the last picture is of dust. So you have to write duster. Okay. The first picture is the first thing. You see many things in the class. Some of them are shown, identify and name them. So the first picture is of desk. The second picture is of board. The third picture is of desk. The fourth picture is of cupboard. The fifth picture is of chalk. And the sixth last picture is of dust. So students, today we will do here. Now write your homework. You have to do page number 22 of chapter 4. This you have to do as a homework. In this you are seeing that look at the picture and use this, that, these, those to complete this sentence. Okay, you have to look the picture and you have to use this when where this is required, that, these, those to complete the sentence. See the first one, blank is a flower vase. Is little far from the sentence, so here we will use, see one first. So what we will use? We will use blank. First we will write a sentence, blank is a flower. Blank is a flowers. So here we will write that is a flowers. Okay? Because there is one flower, so for single and the flowers is away from us, so for a single we are using that. Okay? And if there will be so many flowers, then we will use those. Okay? So students, this you have to do as a homework. Students, thank you for watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning students, this is your EVS teacher from SHIVAJI Group of Institutions. Here welcome you all in the online classes. Students, this is your third period of EVS of class first. So before start today's class, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. So in the last class we have started this chapter name is My Beautiful Clothes, and in that chapter we had read about clothes, that why do we wear clothes. So we had read in the chapter that we wear clothes to cover our body because our clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain and insect bite. And then we had read about that we wear clothes according to the occasions and according to the seasons. Like in summer seasons we wear cotton clothes, and in winter season we wear woolen clothes, and in rainy seasons we wear raincoat, gumboots and carry an umbrella. And we wear clothes according to the occasions, like if we will go to the party, so we will wear party wear dresses, and if we will go to the picnic, so we will wear casual dresses, and if we will go in a marriage function or any other function, so we will wear formal. So we wear clothes according to the seasons and we wear clothes according to the occasions. So students, our chapter reading got finished. In the last class, we have started the book exercise of this chapter, and in that class we have done 2 exercises of this chapter. So today we will do exercise D. So for that, students, take out your book, open page number 28. This is on page number 28. So what we have to do in this exercise? In this exercise, circle. This is exercise D. circle the clothes which you wear use then. So what do we have to do in this exercise? In this exercise there are some pictures. You have to circle the pictures of the clothes which you wear when the given conditions are, and the first is it is hot. So when it is hot, what do we wear? So the first picture is a frock, a cotton frock, and the second picture is shorts. The third picture is muffler, and the fourth picture is sweater. So in summer seasons we wear cotton frocks and shorts. So circle picture 1, which is cotton frock, and picture B, that is shorts. The second condition is it is cold. When it is cold, it is winter season, what do we wear? So the first picture is a woolen cap. Second picture is a t-shirt, third picture is a sweater, and the fourth picture is a baby frock again. So what do we wear in winter? We wear, so in this circle, picture 1, that is woolen cap, and then picture 3rd, which is sweater. We wear woolen cap and sweater in winter season. And the third condition is it rains. So when it is a rainy season, what do we wear? So the first picture is umbrella. The third picture is shoes, formal shoes. And third picture is gum boots. And the fourth picture is raincoat. So what do we wear and what do we use when it rains? So in this circle, picture 1, that is umbrella. We use umbrella when it rains outside. And then circle picture 3rd, which is gum boots, and picture 4th, which is raincoat. So students, now this exercise is finished. Now the last exercise is exercise A. Cross the things we do not use daily. So we will do this exercise in your. This is your today's homework. I will give you after the class as a homework. So students, now the chapter reading got finished and all the exercises are finished. So students, take out your notebook, open a fresh page, and firstly mention today's thought. And today's thought is silence is the best answer to anger. Now close the thought with inverted commas. Underline the thought. Then after this, on the next line, mention lesson number, which is lesson 5. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is My Beautiful Clothes. This is the name of the chapter. Mention all this like this in your notebook. So students, firstly we will do the first exercise, which is hard words. So what are hard words? I have already explained that. Hard words are the words which are difficult to pronounce and to write. So the first word is, firstly you have to mention the heading of this exercise on the next line. Just hard words. Now we will write the hard words. The first word is protect. Number 2 is seasons. Number 3 is woolen. Number 4 is colorful. Number 5 is occasions. And number 6 is uniform. So students, first word is protect, second word is seasons, number 3 is woolen, number 4 is colorful, number 5 is occasion, and number 6 is uniform. So now what we will do after this? After this we will draw a line inside the hard word like this. Then we will write the same hard words here which you wrote here. You have to write it again like I am going to write. The first one is protect. Number 2 is seasons. Number 3 is woolen. And then number 4 is colorful. Number 5 is occasion. And number 6 is uniform. So students, you have to do this exercise like this in your notebook. Firstly, you will write the hard words on the first side, then you will draw a line like this, then you have to write the same hard words again which you wrote here. You have to write it again. Now this exercise is finished. Now we will do the next exercise. So for that, students, turn the page and mention the heading of next exercise. That is missing letters. So students, now we will do the next exercise, that is missing letters. So the first word is S blank, M blank, E blank. Number 2 is C blank, L blank. Number 3 is H blank, A blank. Number 4 is W blank, N blank, E blank. And number 5 is R blank, I blank. So students, now what you have to do in this exercise? In this exercise, you have to fill the missing letters to complete the word. So what is the first word? The first word is, it is the name of a season and it is very hot in this season. So it is summer. So here we will write U, here we will write M, and here we will write R. Summer. This is the name, this is the season. In this season it is very cold. So here we will write O and write D. And in this season, in the summer season, it is very, this word and then outside means what is the word? It is very hot, or the seasons provide heat. So here we will write E and here we will write T, heat. And in this season it is very cold outside. So which season is this? This is winter. So here we will write I, here we will write T, here we will write R. Number 5 is, so when it rains outside, so we carry umbrella and we wear raincoat during this. So this is rain. So the first word is summer, second word is cold, third word is heat, fourth word is winter, and fifth word is rain. So students, that's all for today. Now note down your today's homework. Your today's homework is This is your today's homework. You have to do exercise A, which is given in page number 28. So students, that's all for today. Thank you for attending this class. Now we will meet in our next class.
Hello, good morning students. I welcome you all in our online classes. I am your math teacher from SHIVAJI Group of Institutions. Students, as you know that we have started our chapter 2nd. So we are in chapter 2nd, right? Can you tell me the chapter name? What is the chapter name? Chapter name is addition. Okay. Student, if you have remember, we have started our exercise 6 in our studies class, and we have solved some questions of this exercise in our studies class. It means on today's class we will continue this exercise. So student, if you have remembered, we have solved some questions and I have given you to solve those questions in your homework. So students, if you have done, I want to take a short review of those questions to be confirming that really you don't have inside this exercise. Okay? So student, this type of questions we have solved in our studies class. Questions was like find the sum, right? Find the sum. And there was 3 numbers where we have to find the sum of those numbers like this. Now if you have these 3 numbers, how can you get the sum of these 3 numbers? First of all, you will take first 2 numbers, then find the sum of first 2 numbers. You will start counting from 6 by 3, 7, 8, 9. What you are getting here? 9. Okay, so now write 9. Then sign of addition. Then which number is left? 7 is left, so you will write here 7. Okay. So student, now we have 2 numbers. Now we will find the sum of these 2 numbers. Start counting from 9 by 7. What you will get? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What you are getting here? 16. So you will write here 16. Okay. So student, like solve questions by step, we can get the final answer. Okay. One more question I want to show you from our studies class. Suppose that you have these 3 numbers and you want to get the sum of these 3 numbers. So how can you get? First of all, you will take first 2 numbers, which is here 5 and 6. First of all, we will find the sum of these 2 numbers. Start counting from 5 by 6. What you will get? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What you will get? 11. So write here 11, then sign of addition. Then write the left number is 2, so you will write here 2. Okay. So student, now we have 2 numbers and we have to find the sum of these 2 numbers. So again indicated by the indicator arrow, and now start counting from 11 by 2. So what you will get? 12, 30. What you will get? 30, right? So write here 30. 30. So 30 is your final answer of this sum. Okay. So student, like these type of questions you have solved in our studies class. And now we will continue this exercise and these type of questions in our today's class. So again starting exercise 6, open your page number 54 in your book. As you know that you have a notebook that is of blocks So student, your block notebook is ready that you can write everything inside the box. Okay. So again we are in exercise 6. So we will solve questions like find the sum. Okay. Find the sum. So student, we will solve here these type of questions like 5 plus 2 plus 4. Here we have three numbers and we have to get the sum of these three numbers. So how can we get? First of all, we will take first two numbers, indicate the numbers by the arrow. First of all, we will find the sum of these two numbers. Start counting from 5 by 2. What you will get? You will get here 7 because after 5 there are two numbers 6 and 7. We are getting the sum of 5 and 2. Starting from 5 by 2 we are getting here 7. Now sign of addition and we will write here that number which is left. Okay. Now again we have two numbers. So start counting from 7 by 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. What you are getting here? 11. So 11 is your final answer. It means sum of these three numbers. Okay. So student, again let's see one more example here. Suppose that you have these three numbers and you have to find the sum of these three numbers. So how can you find? First of all, you will take first two numbers, indicate these two numbers with the arrow. Start counting from 5 by 8. What you will get here? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What you are getting here? 13. So write 13 here. Now sign of addition. Then write the left number. Which number is left? 2. So you will write here 2. Okay. Now we have again two numbers and we will get the sum of these two numbers. Start counting from 13 by 2. What you will get here? You will get here the final answer which is 15. Because if you will start the counting from 13 by 2, you will get 14, 15. 15. This means 15 is your final answer of this sum. Okay. So student, now we have solved all the questions of exercise 6. In exercise 6, we have all the questions of these type. It means of three numbers. So how can you get the sum of these three numbers? First of all, you will take the first two numbers. You will get the answer from these two numbers. Then you will put the sign of addition. You will write the left number. Then again now you have the two numbers. Then you will get the sum of rest two numbers. Okay, and you will find your final answer. So student, now I am giving you homework. Your homework is complete exercise 6 in page number 54. Okay. So student, now I hope so that you really don't have any problem to solve any question from exercise 6, right? So student, this is all about today. We will continue this chapter in our next class. Till then, complete your work, solve all the questions from exercise 6 and also do the revision of your all the chapters to be confirming that you have no problem in any chapter which is done here in the class. So student, thank you to all for attending today's class.
Hello, a very nice good morning to my dear students. This is your 5th period and I am your computer teacher. So students, open your computer book, chapter 1st, and the name of the chapter is a computer is a machine. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is a computer is a machine. Students, you have already read the half of the chapter and little much is left. So first I will recall you and then we will complete the chapter. Okay students? So in this chapter you have learned about the natural or human made thing. So students, what is a natural thing? What is a natural thing? Okay? You are surrounded by a lot of things. Such things are directly from nature. The things which come directly from nature are known as natural things. Things come directly. Things come directly from nature. Such as water, air, soil, etc. What are natural things? Things come directly from nature, such as water, air, soil, etc. These are the natural things. Now the second, human made thing. Okay, human made things. Some things are made by humans. Things which are made by humans are known as human made thing. Things are made by humans, such as car, cycle, building, etc. Okay, things are made by humans such as car, cycle, building, etc. They are called human made things. So what we have to call? First we have to call the natural things. Things come directly from nature. The things which come directly from nature are known as, they are called natural things such as water, air, soil, etc. Okay. The second thing is human made things. Things are made by humans such as car, cycle, building, etc. Things which are made by humans such as car, cycle, or which things are made by man. They all are called human made things. Okay. Now we will know about machine. Machine, what are you thinking? Machine is a natural thing or a man-made thing, human-made thing? Machine is made by humans. Machines are made by humans. We use a lot of machines every day. Machine makers make our work easier and fast. So, machine are made by human. Okay, machines are made by human. We use a lot of the machine in our daily life, and machine make our work. It make our work easier and faster. Easier and fast. Machine are made by human. It make our work easier and faster. See, there are some machines which run on electricity. Okay, for example, toaster, refrigerator, mixer. Some machines run on fuel, for example, car, helicopter, your bike, etc. Some machines run on batteries. There are some machines which run on battery. See, clock, camera, and calculator. These are the machines which run on batteries. Some machines require help from humans. There are some machines which require help from humans. Without the help of human, they can't run. The machines are the first cycle, second nail cutter, the third scissor. These are the machines which require help from humans. The next topic is computer, a smart machine. What is the next topic? Computer, a smart machine. Okay? See, have you ever seen a computer? I'm sure you have all seen. A television is a machine that runs on electricity. Okay? You have seen anything that looks like a television? Television is a machine that also runs on electricity. Have you ever seen anything that runs on that looks like a television? Yes, a monitor. A computer look like a television. Yes, you are right. A computer look like a television. So, computer, it works very fast. Computer work very fast. It works very fast. The second one, it saves our time. It does not get tired or bored. It does not get tired or bored. It can do many things at the same time. A computer can do many things at the same time. A computer can do many things at the same time. It can remember many things at a same time. A computer can do many things at a same time. It can remember many things. Okay? It does not make any mistake. A computer does not make any mistake. So students, now open the page number 12. Now we have to start from here. This is the record section. Now we have to start from the page number 12. And the topic is types of computer. Types of computer. A desktop computer is kept at one place. Have you seen desktop? Yes, you all have seen at your school. A desktop computer is kept at one place. You have seen a desktop computer is kept on one place. You cannot carry a desktop where you go. We can't carry a desktop where we go because it is very heavy, and so we can't carry a desktop where we go. So the first type of computer is desktop. Okay, a desktop computer is kept in one place. Okay, and we cannot carry a desktop wherever we are going. We can't carry a desktop with us. Okay. The second type of computer is a laptop. A laptop is smaller and lighter than a desktop. A laptop is small. You all have seen a laptop. A laptop is small and lighter than a desktop. It is lighter than a desktop. You can carry a laptop where you go, where you want to go, where you are going. You can carry your laptop with yourself. It is very easy to carry a laptop with you because a laptop is smaller and it is lighter than a desktop. So we can easily carry a laptop with us, but a desktop is very heavy. So we can't carry a desktop with us. Okay. The third is smartphone. The third type of computer is a smartphone. A smartphone is used to make call. So what we are using a smartphone? We are using a smartphone to make a call, send messages, listen to music, watch movies, book tickets, buy clothes and shoes, and so on. It has all the features that are associated with a desktop or a laptop computer. See, a smartphone is very easy, is very light in weight, so we can carry a laptop, we can carry a smartphone easily. Okay, a smartphone is used, we are using a smartphone to make a calls, messages, or listening music. We are watching the movies and many other things we are doing in a smartphone, and smartphone is very easy to carry. Okay, a smartphone has all the features that are associated with a desktop or a laptop, and it is very easy to carry a smartphone. Okay, and the last one is a tablet. small flat computer that is operated by touching the screen. A tablet is small and it is very lighter than desktop, than your laptop, okay, and we can easily carry it anywhere. It is bigger than a smartphone. A laptop is bigger than a smartphone and is smaller than a laptop. A tablet is smaller than a laptop, but it is bigger than a smartphone. You can access the internet, read and send email, watch videos, listen to music and read electronic books and e-books on a tablet. We can do a lot of things in a tablet like we are doing in a smartphone. Okay, so we can read or we can send emails, we can watch movies, videos, we can listen to the music, or we can read the electronic books, we can or e-books on a tablet. So these are the 4 types of a computer. The first one we have read about the desktop. A desktop is kept in one place and it is very difficult to carry with us. The second one is a laptop. A laptop is smaller and lighter than a desktop. We can carry a laptop wherever we go. The third one is a smartphone. A smartphone is very light. We can carry it easily. We can watch movies. We can listen songs. We can do a lot of work in a smartphone. The last one, tablet. It is bigger than a smartphone and is smaller than a desktop and a laptop. We can do all the things. We can watch movies. We can listen songs. We can read something. All things we can do in a tablet. So students, our first chapter is completed. Write up your homework.